Hi everybody, it's Miss Motzi and today is Wednesday, April 25th. Today we continue to work on plate tectonics and specifically on the plate boundaries. So today in class 8th block we learned the dance to remember the different plate boundaries. It's not really a long dance, it's just a short dance. But there are 3 different plate boundaries. Here's the first one: divergent, convergent, and transform. So divergent is when the plates are moving apart. There you have things like a rift valley, you have volcanoes, you have some earthquakes as well. Convergent is when the plates come together. There are 3 different types of convergent boundaries. You have ocean to ocean subduction. That's what created the Mariana Trench that we talked about today. There's ocean to continental subduction, and that's what's created the volcanic mountain range in the Pacific Northwest where Washington State and Oregon is. And then the 3rd type of convergent boundary where the plates are coming together is collision boundary. So you have 2 continental plates that are colliding straight into each other. You don't get any volcanoes when you have 2 continental plates colliding. You get earthquakes and you get really large mountain ranges like the Himalayan mountains. But with the subduction zones, when you have 2 plates converging or coming together and you have a subduction zone, the oceanic plate that's subducting starts to melt, and that melted rock material returns to the surface as magma and then eventually erupts into a volcano. If you have ocean to ocean subduction, you're going to have a volcanic ocean range. You're going to have a whole bunch of little tiny volcanic islands. Whereas if you have ocean to continental subduction, you're also going to have this plate here melting, rising to the surface as magma. But instead of having volcanic islands, you're going to have a volcanic mountain range. You're going to have a whole bunch of mountains that are volcanically active. The 3rd type of plate boundary is the transform boundary. So the transform boundary is when you have 2 rock-solid plates just trying to move straight past each other. And those plates are experiencing a lot of tension, a lot of stress. So it's not easy for pieces of rock to move past each other. So that tension will build up, build up, build up, and then eventually it will release in the form of an earthquake. Let's take a look at what we did today. This is Geosystems, and today is Wednesday, April 25th, 2018. Today is a B day. Our agenda was I can model seafloor spreading and paleomagnetism. On our agenda, we took some notes on plate boundaries, and then we took the online test on the Dynamic Earth website. For homework, don't forget that you have your Week 3 SOL assignment due on Friday, April 27th, and if for some reason you didn't finish the test, or if you didn't score above an 80% on the test in class that we did on the Dynamic Earth website, you want to complete that for homework and upload your results page with your name and your score onto the appropriate Google Classroom link. Alright, so that's it for today. Don't forget that the plates are diverging, moving apart, converging, moving together, and transforming. They're sliding past each other. Sometimes that's also called strike, slip, because the plates are striking and slipping past each other. Next class, we are going to be learning about earthquakes, specifically how earthquakes are triangulated, how we triangulate the location of an earthquake using earthquake data collection centers in 3 different locations. So you have that to look forward to, and also next class will be Friday, so everybody loves Friday. Have a great day, and I will see you on Friday.